Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to download OriginPro. It's a super helpful tool for data analysis and graphing, and I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, here is we open up your browser and search for OriginPro. When the results pop up, click on the very first link that shows up, and this will take you to the official Origin Lab website. Now, look for the button that says Try Origin for free and go ahead and click on that. And you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to answer a quick question about which option best describes you and your sector. And there will be a few different choices, so just pick the one that suits you the best. And once you've selected the sector, click the continue button to move on to the next step. On the next page, you'll be asked to fill out a short form with your personal information. This typically includes things like your name, email address, and company name. Once you fill out all the required fields, click continue to download trial. Now the next step is pretty simple. You'll be asked how you plan to use OriginPro, and you'll also need to specify which graphing or analysis software you've used before. Or they'll even ask where you heard about OriginPro. Answer the question to the best of your ability, then click continue. After that, you'll be asked how you want to download OriginPro. They'll offer you a couple of questions or options, like the version with help files or without. For me, I'll choose the one with help files, which is about 2.4 gigabytes. You'll also be able to select the file format for your download, so I recommend going with the zip format for easy extraction. And once you've made your choices, click the download button to start the process. And that's it. Now you have everything you need to download OriginPro and start using it for your data analysis and graphing needs. It's really that simple. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found this video helpful. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'll see you on the next one.